Rail services have resumed after completion of restoration work on the affected downline route in Gonda. Remember, the Chandigarh-Dibrugarh Express had derailed in Gonda on the 18th of July. 3 people had been killed and 30 people have been injured. Ever since then, a probe into the matter has commenced. The loco pilot had earlier claimed that he'd heard a short explosion or a boom right before the train had derailed, but the UP police has meanwhile denied any reports of an explosion having taken place over there. Meanwhile, we'd also in fact gotten information earlier itself that there were repair services that had been completed one day before the derailment had taken place, and that loco pilots were advised to drive slowly. My colleague Abhishek Singh with us on the broadcast with more details. Abhishek, train services have resumed after the restoration work on the downline route in Gonda has been completed.
Yeah, after many hours of being work done by the railway staff, although we can say more than 1,000 of staffs of NER were there at Gonda to restore the situation, to restore the track. So the rail services resume after completion of the restoration work on the affected downline route in Gonda, and now the further investigations are being under process. As we know that as per the statement of the loco pilot, there was an explosion, and after that the train got derailed. Chandigarh-Dibrugarh Express. So on that angle, UP police forensic experts have collected the evidences from the train, from the outskirts of the train, from the tracks and many of the places. So very soon the reports will come from the forensic labs and they will declare either there was explosion, the things which were being, we are learning from the loco pilot, what the statement from the loco pilot that there was an explosion, it will be confirmed only and after by the reports which are coming out very soon, although it will take 10 days or a month from the forensic lab to, for the reports, and after that things will be clear. Yeah.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.